This is data connectivity and transformation part 6 video. The agenda of this video is analyze column quality and distribution, jump to a specific column, change text format, and fourth one will be the conduct mathematical and statistical calculation. Keep watching this video. Analyze column quality and distribution. Layoff list 2023. So this is the data set what I have connected right now, and in which we are going to perform how we are going to check our column quality distribution. So to check those things we have uh, several options. First, here industry type, you are getting green line just below the column name, but yes, you are getting gray line as well along with the green line. And here the total layoff, see, you are getting the gray line. So this is indicating that your data is not in a complete format form, the desired form on which you are going to perform the visualization. So for that, what we have to do, first we have to check the quality of our column. So for that we have a tab, like here is the home tab on which we are getting the common properties what we can use, and in the view you can see these options are there for which you can get the column quality. You have to check this box, you will get the column quality, and it is indicating like this. And the column distribution, you have to check this column and you will get column quality and distribution just below the column name. Okay, and you can easily find out the way how your data is distributed in the column. See, in the first column you have 1000 distinct and 1000 tuning, because it is a id, it is not going to be duplicate or it is not going to uh, empty or anything. Okay, but in the industry type we have one unique and 30 distinct. Okay, and same thing you will get for country, city and all for other columns. And here, see, for the layoff we have several gray line is there. So here what we are getting, we are getting the empty, it is 37%. Similarly we can remove the empty from here. Total layoff, it, if it is empty, we don't have any value, we can remove directly from here. Click simply this button. Okay, you have removed all the empty what is there in the layoff. Right now we don't have error in any of the column, so we are going to create error intentionally. Okay, so for that I'm just going to make this date time. Now you are getting 55% error in this box. You can remove the error directly from here as well. You can remove duplicates, you can remove empty, and you can remove error from with the help of these header icons what you are getting while clicking column distribution and column quality. Hope you guys are getting these things. I'm just going to revert this again because we don't want, if you want to delete this one, just click this one, this line icon, and remove this one. It is going to delete all the columns in which we are getting the errors. So this is the way how we are analyzing our data quality in the columns, as well as how we are removing the duplicates, removing the empty rows and removing the errors. How we can jump to a specific column. So for now I'm just going to revert all the changes what we have performed to analyze the data quality and distribution. And if you have numbers of column in this data set and you don't want to drag these things, or you have little bit confusion whether you are pointing out the correct column or not, so here is the function. Go to the column, you just have to click this, it will reflect you all the columns what you have in your data set. Select this one. Okay, and directly you can jump on that column. Change text format. For that, jump into the transformation. You will get a option format. Here you will get the desired result what you require for your particular column or for your report or visualizer. You can convert all the text into lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim, clean, prefix and suffix also you can add. For example, I'm just selecting this industry and I want to make the text as a uppercase. You just need to select upper one. And for the company, okay, everything is fine. For city, okay, I'm just going to capitalize these things, capitalize each word. Okay, now it's done um, successfully. So how this is the way how we can uh, make the changes in the text appearing inside your column. Conduct mathematical and statistical calculation. For that, we have to jump into the transformation, and here we have a group called number column. In this group, you will find out statistics, standard, and scientific. Few more options are there. You can perform over your column in which you have contained the numbers. Numbers will indicate like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to perform few of the activities in the total layoff. So for that, we have to select this column, and you have to click on this one. You will get numbers of option which you can use to get the desired result. If you want to check the sum of total layoff, you just have to click this sum option. It will give you the sum. And same, you have other options which you can use: sum, minimum, maximum, okay, average, count values, and so on. Similarly, you have these options which you can perform. You have to select your column. Like here, I am just going to select this total layoff. We have these options. See, we have to add. If you want to add anything, like on the first row containing 360, if you want to add 10 in every row, then you have to click this one. It will show 370 110. Earlier it was 360 and 100. Similarly, we have other options which we can use. Okay, so this is the way how we can perform mathematical and statistical uh, activities over our data set. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.